This video brings you a clear and friendly native English conversation all about the weather, one of the most common topics people discuss in daily life. As you listen, you'll hear practical vocabulary and simple phrases used to describe weather situations, such as, it's getting cloudy, the temperature dropped suddenly, it feels really humid today, and the forecast says it might rain later. These are expressions you can easily use in real conversations. While the speakers talk naturally, you'll also notice how pronunciation, rhythm, and tone change depending on the feeling behind the words. Listening closely will help you understand not just the vocabulary, but also how native speakers connect their sentences, use fillers, and respond naturally in a casual, friendly conversation. This video is especially useful for English learners because weather conversations happen everywhere, at work, on the street, in a cafe, or when meeting someone new. By practicing with this video, you can improve your listening skills, learn how to describe weather clearly, and feel more confident in everyday conversations. So as you watch, try to follow along with the flow of the dialogue. Pay attention to new words, repeat the phrases out loud, and listen more than once if needed. With regular practice, you'll understand native English more easily and speak more fluently in your own daily conversations.
Conversation about weather.
Hey, today feels really warm, doesn't it?
Yes, it's hot and humid. I started sweating the moment I stepped outside.
Same here. Even the breeze feels warm.
I know. It's like the air itself is tired.
Do you think it will rain later?
Maybe. The clouds look heavier now.
A good rain would cool everything down.
Definitely. I'm waiting for it.
Yesterday was cooler than today.
Yes, yesterday evening felt almost cold to me.
Last week was windy. That felt nice.
I loved that weather. The wind felt so refreshing.
What's your favorite kind of weather?
Cloudy and cool weather. What about you?
Rainy days. I love the smell after rain.
Yes, that fresh smell is the best.
But heavy rain during travel is annoying.
True. I hate getting stuck in traffic during rain.
Hot weather makes me lazy.
Same. I feel tired the whole day.
Maybe the monsoon is changing.
Yes, the weather is unpredictable these days.
Do you like summer?
Only the evenings. Daytime heat is too much.
Same. My room becomes a mini oven.
Mine too.
Did the heat affect your work today?
Yes, I felt sleepy. What about you?
I couldn't focus properly.
Weather really affects our mood.
Totally. Cold days make me feel energetic.
Cold weather makes me want a hot drink.
Hot chocolate on cold days is perfect.
I prefer ginger tea.
That's nice too.
Do you think this winter will be colder?
I hope so. Last winter felt mild.
Yes, it didn't feel like real winter.
How's the weather in your hometown now?
Cooler than the city. A nice breeze as well.
Lucky you. My area is boiling today.
Did you check tomorrow's forecast?
Not yet. Should I expect rain?
The forecast says there might be scattered showers.
I hope that's true.
Weather forecasts are not always accurate, though.
Yes, sometimes they lie.
The sky looks a bit hazy today.
Humidity does that.
Do you like sunny days?
Only soft sunshine. Strong sunlight burns.
Same here.
The sunlight this morning was very sharp.
It hurt my eyes, too.
I need to carry sunglasses.
Me too.
Did the heat affect your commute?
A little. The bus felt stuffy.
Mine felt like a sauna.
That sounds horrible.
Do you think evenings will get cooler soon?
Yes, days are getting shorter.
Winter is slowly coming.
I can't wait for cooler evenings.
Me too.
Last week's sudden storm surprised me.
Yes, it came out of nowhere.
The rain was heavy and the wind was strong.
I almost lost my umbrella.
Storms love destroying umbrellas.
True?
Did you get stuck anywhere?
Yes, in traffic for an hour.
I was stuck at a bus stop.
At least it cooled the area.
Yes, the night felt nice.
Do you want to go for a picnic this weekend?
Sure, if the weather is not too hot.
We can check the forecast.
Good idea.
If it rains, we can stay indoors.
Rainy days are perfect for movies.
Totally agree.
Weather really decides our plans.
Yes, even simple things depend on weather.
Hot days make me stay indoors.
Same.
Do you think it will rain tonight?
The sky looks darker now.
I kind of want rain.
Me too.
Light rain is relaxing.
Heavy rain is scary, though.
Yes, thunder makes me jump.
But the lightning looks cool from far away.
Yes, like nature doing magic.
What's your plan if the weekend is sunny?
Maybe the beach?
Nice. Sea breeze feels amazing.
Yes, it cools everything.
Do you like winter more or summer?
A mix of both. What about you?
Winter for sure.
Cold days feel peaceful.
Yes, and I sleep better.
Me too.
Do you think climate change is affecting our weather?
Yes, everything feels hotter.
And the rainy season is unpredictable.
Very true.
Yesterday, the forecast said no rain, but it rained.
Classic.
Weather apps try their best.
But nature decides the final plan.
Exactly.
Do you want snow someday?
Yes, I want to feel real cold.
Same. Snow looks magical.
I want to build a snowman.
Me too.
Our country doesn't get snow, sadly.
Yes, tropical weather all year.
But tropical weather has its charm.
True. Everything stays green.
That needs a lot of rain.
And sunshine, too.
Today's sun felt too strong, though.
Yes, it burned my arms.
Did you use sunscreen?
No, I forgot.
You should.
I know.
Do you think next week will be cooler?
I hope so.
Same.
Cooler days make life easier.
And improve my mood.
Same here. Weather affects everything.
Yes, travel, work, and even food choices.
I eat less on hot days.
Me too.
Cold days make me hungrier.
I guess same here.
What's your favorite rainy day food?
Hot soup.
Nice. I like spicy snacks.
Rain and spicy food go well together.
Totally.
Do you like walking in the rain?
Yes, but only light rain.
Same. Heavy rain feels dangerous.
Yes, especially with lightning.
But the sound of rain is calming.
Very calming.
If it rains tonight, I'll sleep early.
Rainy sleep is the best.
What weather makes you happiest?
Cold and cloudy.
Mine is rainy and cool.
We both love cool weather.
Yes, because heat is torture.
Exactly.
Today's humidity is too much.
My hair becomes messy in humidity.
Mine becomes flat.
Humidity doesn't spare anyone.
True.
Do you want ice cream later?
Yes, hot days need cold treats.
Exactly.
If it rains, we can enjoy ice cream in the rain.
That sounds fun.
Weather decides everything we do.
Yes, even small plans.
But no matter the weather, talking with you feels nice.
Oh, same here.